Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave-forecast.com YouTube channel. Today is July 30th and the chart of the day for today is the Dow Futures, 60 minutes time frame here, and we can see we are currently looking to rally higher within with 5. Okay, and as long as we stay above this 40,053, we could potentially see more upside. Now, a couple of possible options here. Until we break above this previous wave 3 peak here, we can always do what we call a double zigzag or double correction, which suggests a bigger 3 swings down like this. And by the way, if it does something like this, it will find another buyers right here, usually when the leg is equal in length, right? And we can also see from the latest count or in the latest chart here, you can see the structure of this pullback here. Now this one was clear as day. This is a 3-way pullback, right? Nobody will tell me this is an impulsive structure. This is a 3-way pullback. So that actually gives us a huge information that the trend, even in the shorter cycle, still remains bullish, right? Because if we're going to be doing a bigger pullback or a much larger degree correction, for example, then you should be expecting something like 1, 2, and then an extended 1.6183 and a 4 and a 5, right? Something like this. But the fact that we are only 3 ways down and there is no extension on the third leg, that will suggest, it gives you the signal that this still remains very bullish, and therefore even if it fails and go down, then because the first leg is corrective, we shall be able to get another support with a high probability at the next 100% extension right here. That will be another support zone here in case it fails, right? But of course, you don't want to speculate it will do this when you know the trend is bullish, right? So as a general principle, always forecast the most aggressive count in the direction of the trend. The trend clearly is bullish, so in the direction of the trend, we shall not try to speculate we're going to be doing a double. Double can always happen, but as a primary view, it will not have the higher probability when you continue to call a double, when you don't have to call a double, right? So when the correction is over, you get the most aggressive, calling it completed, and now rallying higher. Now, if we analyze the move up here, then it kind of like, you can sort of count it as a 5 waves, which is what we are showing, which is not too bad. But I think if you want to count this as a ABC, I think that is also not really impossible, right? I mean, it's still possible if you want to call it as a ABC, for example. So that's why I think again, this is the most aggressive view. For the full confirmation, we still need to break above the peak, but this is what is the higher probability in the direction of the trend at the moment. Okay, now if I zoom out into the 4-hour or daily, right, now you can see the last move up of significance is this one, right? So we got the low here, this is the previous high, right? And then you got very clear here, 1, 2, 3, right? I mean, you don't end a all-time high in a 3 waves, right? You don't end something that is bullish in 3 waves. So this is telling us that most likely we're going to get extension higher again at some point, to finish at least 5 ways up from here, from April 19. So far it looks like a 3 ways to me. And so now the question is whether this is really complete or not. That's the only question, which is the 1-hour time frame, right? Now, like I said, we can do double, yes, cannot rule out, but because it's only 3 swing here, even if it does double, because there's only 3 swing here in an impulsive trend, you don't end impulsive trend in a 3 swing, and this one is also 3 swings down. That suggests that most likely you're going to get support for further upside again, right? Most likely you're going to get support for further upside again. So even if it does another leg down like what we're showing here, then we should be able to get another support here when this equal leg here in this area, and then extends higher, right? Now, if not, then if we can hold above last week's low, then this could be the end of the correction, right? This could be the end of the correction here, and then we can start to rally higher again like this in 5 ways, at least to finish 5 ways up from here at least. Okay, so shorter cycle, therefore again we're expecting another leg up above 40,053. If it breaks below 40,053, we should be able to get further support at the next extreme area. Okay, so that's the update for today. As always, if you want to get more updates on the Dow or any other indices, Forex, commodities, stocks, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial and the link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time and have a nice day everyone.